A vendor risk assessment report. 7 vendors scored across 5 risk categories, with flagged concerns documented and remediation deadlines assigned, ready for the examiner to review. Built in a single afternoon, not a full work week. A risk manager at a $1.5 billion community bank is juggling vendor oversight alongside BSA and AML duties. During a routine spreadsheet review, buried in column AQ, they find it. A payment processor's SOC 2 certification expired 3 weeks ago. Nobody missed it on purpose. The expired certification becomes an exam finding, not because the risk manager did not know, but because there was not time to document it. A matter requiring attention goes to the board. The vendor file was incomplete. That is what running out of hours costs. Better spreadsheets organize the data. Vendor management software sends reminders. Enterprise platforms promise the full picture. But none of them score the questionnaire responses or write the flagged concerns. The bottleneck was never where the data lives. It is the 2 to 4 hours of analysis per vendor. Whether you oversee vendors at a community bank, business associates at a health system, or suppliers at a manufacturer, the pattern is the same. Questionnaire responses go in, scored assessments with flagged concerns and remediation deadlines come out. The data shape holds across every regulated industry. The summary table shows every vendor at a glance: criticality tier, composite score, risk level, flagged concern count. Below that, each vendor gets category scores with evidence from the questionnaire, a weighted composite, and flagged concerns with severity levels. Every remediation action has a deadline and an owner. Exam readiness notes document what the examiner expects. On the left, what most institutions have: a row in a spreadsheet. On the right, what the examiner wants: scored categories, documented concerns, remediation deadlines. This works the same way for a $400 million credit union with 160 vendors or a health system with 300 business associates. See what an exam-ready vendor risk report looks like for your institution. lasa.ai. Your vendors, scored and documented.